Okay, so we are here with the new video, and this is the unboxing of Xbox. I was planning to buy from last year. I have been planning since long, and it took 1 month to arrive. So you can imagine I'm very anxious to open. So let's open without wasting any further time. And I got this at a good price, I can say. Okay, if I compare the price to Brazilian standards, because in Brazil everything is two times, everything is very expensive. Now this is nota physical for my Brazilian friends and fans. So this is the nota physical, and here is the box. So this is Xbox One S 1 TB. This box is super heavy, so I think it's more than 5 kg or something. So let me remove this thing. I will take care of nota physical. So here is the box. Now I can see that this has been opened in the past, but it's totally fine. This is how it is. So you can see that it is already cut, but it's okay, no problem. It's possible that this box was used by someone for some days and then they didn't like, so but I hope that is brand new. So let's see. Now here is the box, and here is the box of accessories. Okay, and here is the main machine, and it's super heavy, very heavy. I will try to do this so that we don't get any problem. Okay, so let's see the accessory box. What do we have? So we have a wire. This is the 4K HDMI wire, and this is the controller. Okay, which is very beautiful. So we can open this and see. This is a very beautiful controller and is new. Yeah, because when we buy some product in Brazil, we need to check if it is brand new. At least they gave me the battery, even though this is open. So definitely, but it's okay, no problem. If it is working for me, it's fine. Now it has something else, and this is the connector, and it's really nice because this is the Brazilian standard, so this is very good thing for us. We have something else here, and no, nothing else. Some startup guides and some more information. Let's see what is inside this. Okay, so nothing else. Windows 10. Oh, Windows 10. Anyways, and what else? Something is inside. Okay, just the instructions. So this is the machine, this is the console, which is beautiful. And let me see how can I can cut this. So here is our CD. So soon I will make another video, for us to do, because I have already purchased the Xbox Game Pass for 3 months for 1 year, because it was a very good promotion. So I didn't waste time and I bought this in advance. So this is our machine, and I can say that this is heavy and big also. And here are the outputs. You can see, HDMI TV out, SAT and cable. This is the power. So you can see this is such a beautiful thing because you don't have any adapter. Everything is inside. So you just have a wire. So this is really nice. Very minimalistic design. And this is RJ45, which I will use because it will give faster speed. And that's it. Nothing much. Thank you so much. And I'm very excited to use it, to start using it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.